Today we'll learn what the stock market is. So let's get started. Every morning, millions of people wake up, check a number on a screen, and feel richer or poorer. Nothing physical changed. No new building, no new product, just numbers moving. And yet, trillions of dollars appear and disappear like this. That's the stock market. Not a place. Not really. More like a giant, invisible machine that decides what the world is worth. And right now, whether you invest or not, it's already affecting your life. Because the stock market isn't just about traders in suits or people shouting, buy low, sell high. It quietly controls companies, jobs, prices, even the future of entire economies. So what exactly is it? At its core, the stock market is a system where ownership is bought and sold. Not products, not services, ownership. Let's say a company exists. It makes money. It wants to grow. But growth needs cash. So instead of taking loans, it slices itself into tiny pieces, called shares. Each share is a small part of that company. Buy one share, you own a piece. Buy 1,000, you own more influence. Buy enough, you start making decisions. This is where things get interesting. Because once those shares are out in the world, people start trading them. Not based on what the company is, but what they think it will become. And that's the entire game. A company might be profitable today, but if investors believe its future is weak, the stock falls. Another company might be barely making money, but if the future looks exciting, the stock rises. So prices don't reflect reality. They reflect expectations, and expectations are unstable. This is why the market moves every second. News, rumors, tweets, fear, greed, all compressed into one number. Here's the uncomfortable part. When you see a stock price going up, it doesn't mean money is being created equally for everyone. It means the last traded price was higher. That's it. If one person buys a share for 100 and another buys it later for 110, suddenly the value increases. Even if nothing inside the company changed. Now multiply that by millions of trades. This is how companies become worth billions overnight, and lose it just as fast. It's not entirely fake, but it's not entirely solid either. It's belief, priced in real time. And here's where the system reveals its real purpose. The stock market isn't just a place to make money. It's a mechanism for allocating capital. Money flows toward companies that investors believe will grow, and away from those that won't. In theory, this sounds efficient. In reality, it creates strange incentives. Companies start optimizing for stock price, not long-term value. Short-term results get rewarded. Long-term thinking gets ignored. Sometimes, companies fire employees to boost profits for a quarter. The stock goes up. Everyone claps, even though nothing fundamentally improved. That's the irony. The market is supposed to measure success. But often, it reshapes what success looks like. Now zoom out. Entire economies are tied to this system. Pension funds, retirement accounts, government policies. When markets rise, confidence rises. When they crash, everything slows down. We've seen this before. 2008, a collapse that started with financial instruments most people didn't even understand. But the consequences: global, jobs lost, businesses shut, lives disrupted, all triggered by a system built on expectations, layered on top of other expectations. So where does that leave an individual? You're told the market is the best way to build wealth. And historically, that's often true. But you're also stepping into a system driven by psychology as much as logic. Where timing matters, where narratives matter, where being right isn't always enough. Because even if you understand a company perfectly, the market can still disagree with you. For a long time. So the stock market is simple, and not simple at all. It's buying pieces of businesses, and also betting on the future, and also participating in a massive, ongoing negotiation about what things are worth. All at once, which leads to a question most people never stop to ask. If the market is driven by what people believe something is worth, then at any given moment, how much of that price is reality? And how much is just consensus? If you feel we need to improve the video in some way, please comment. And yes, similar videos are available on our channel. If you are interested in finance, Then subscribe to our channel The Microstructure now and press the bell icon.